In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover your Lloyds Bank login details and reset your password. Whether you're using the website or the mobile banking app, the process is straightforward and secure. Start by heading to the official Lloyds Bank website in your browser or opening the mobile banking app on your device. Make sure you're on the genuine site or the latest version of the app and that you have a stable internet connection. It also helps to have your basic account information to hand, as you'll be asked to confirm some details. On the login page, look for the link that says "Forgotten your login details." It's usually located near the username and password fields. Tap or click that link to begin the recovery process. This is the safest route because it guides you through Lloyds Bank's official security steps rather than guessing or locking your account. You'll be prompted to enter some personal details. Provide the information exactly as it appears on your account. Take your time here. Small mistakes, like a typo in your postcode or date of birth, can cause delays. If you're unsure about a specific field, use the help text on the page for clarification. Next, you'll verify your identity. You can typically choose a text message, a phone call, or an in-app verification. Pick the method you can access right away. If you select text, keep your phone nearby and enter the code as soon as it arrives. For phone calls, be prepared for an automated message that provides a one-time code. With in-app verification, follow the prompt within the app to confirm it's you. Never share these one-time codes with anyone and only enter them on the official Lloyds Bank page or app. Once verified, simply follow the on-screen prompts to reset your password or recover your user ID. When setting a new password, choose something strong and unique that you don't use elsewhere. Consider using a reputable password manager to store it securely. If you're recovering your user ID, you'll be shown it securely or guided on how it will be provided to you. For business banking customers, use the same "Forgotten your login details" option. You may be asked to use your card and reader to generate a security code. Follow the instructions on screen with your reader to complete the reset safely. When you're done, log in with your new credentials and confirm everything works as expected. As a final tip, update any safe passwords in your browser or devices, enable app biometrics for added convenience, and always sign out on shared devices.